Hello, Dr. Shraddha. This is Syed Vasti here from your MMS 656 course. Today I'll just do a quick demo of my web application that I have developed, and I'll be submitting the URL of this video over YouTube, and so that you can review the application. To build this application, I have used Grails framework. Grails is built on it's a Groovy. It uses the Groovy language and it uses builds on JVM. It's a similar application to a similar framework to Groovy on Grails. So where you can easily create a web application. It gives you a model view controller MVC framework where to develop the application. So to run this application, you have to have Grails installed, and to install Grails, there is pretty. If you are on a MacBook or then this information over here on installing Grails. Either you can download the binary and install it, or you can use the curl command and curl command to get the SDK man and then set that as source. And then install use the SDK command to install Grails, and that's it. You have the Grails application, and and you can use more Grails commands to create your develop your application. So in here you can see you use the Grails create domain class book. So you can either just give the class name or you can give the whole package, so that the application that class will be generated in that specific package. So and along once you have the domain created, then you can use other commands like create controller for that specific create controller, or create views. Where is the view? Or you can just use generate views, or generate controller. Once you have the domain, then you can use the generate controller or generate views, and it will provide you with all the views that you need for your application. So I'll quickly walk you through the so I have used IntelliJ to for my development as an IDE. So here you can see the directory structure. I've called it as a final project, and within the Grails app. So here you can see the Gradle. It uses a Gradle for the build system, and these are the wrapper libraries, and the actual main Gradle build will be over here. The build file will be in build.gradle. So you can also use the Gradle commands to run the application, or you can even use the Grails command. So I used Grails run app command to run the application. So within the assets, you can see all the images are placed over here, and the JavaScript is also all over here, and the style sheets is used for all the pages, and resource.groovy. So this is Spring related information, and here within the controller you can and before we go to the controller, I can show you the domain that I have created. So I have course, parent, student, teacher as my domain classes, and based on that I have created this controllers. And there are, you can see, like a couple of controllers which are not, which they don't have any domain, but they just are controllers and views, because I didn't want any domain or database information in there, and so so I'll just quickly walk you through this user domain. You can see I use it for a login. So if the user is not logged in, then you'll be prompted to the login page, and then you pass in the login password. And this application is designed only for administrators right now, and I'm using only one login password, that's admin. And once, if the login is succeeded, then it will be redirected to the home page. Else, if the login fails, you'll be redirected to the same page with the message. So and similarly in all other pages, once they are if the user tries to log in, then he has to, the application checks if the user is logged in, if the user session is available. If it's not, then it will be redirected to the login page. So and this is where all my controller logic is, and um, and this is where all the views are. So views, so you can see course will have create all the it's create all the CRUD functionalities for user, course, layout, parents, and students and teacher. So this is all the views where the of the application now. So now I'll quickly walk you through. So I used, as I said, I used the Grails command to run the application, and I use my terminal to monitor the logs. So now if I move to my web application, so this is where my web application looks like. It's a school management system, and as you can see, it's if I try to go to some other page, then the user is not logged in and it will be redirected to the login page. Let's see if I give you a wrong password, and so you'll be given an error, fail, login fail, and you'll be asked to try again, and you'll still be on the login page. And once you log in, you have this you go to the school management page, home page, and from there you can choose to this is you can see well, it will take you to the parent index page, and that's where you can see all the parents that are added, and the ID is a link. So if you click through the ID, then you can see all the complete information on the parent of the parent, or the contact information and the students they have. So this is something I have to change. I didn't get time. Instead of showing the student ID, I could display the student name. So those two parent have two students registered, and one of the student is this, and this will take you back to the parent. And same thing, student 3, that also belongs to the same parent. And this is the parent list, and similarly you'll have the teacher student list. So every student will have some parent associated with it, and you can see the parents will be shown. And so a student cannot be registered without a parent information. So when this is designed for a community school, and it's for little kids from age 5 to 14, so we'll definitely need parent information and contact information. And similarly for a teacher can have more than more than one course, and course will require at least one teacher. And this is something I still have to work on to complete this application, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to use this application for to further develop on this, and complete this and use this in our community for our community school. This is very much required over there. It's just I didn't have all the time. It's been busy. I could not complete the whole application, but this is what I have so far. Hope you have a wonderful summer, and thank you very much for all your efforts and hard work in making this class and very well good experience. Thank you very much. Bye.